Hi, good morning. Today, when we are in our house with our family over a month now, we're experiencing a completely different life. This really becomes very important to keep ourselves motivated and boostful and peaceful as well, and calm also. So today the purpose of this video is to share my experience, my motivating and boostful experience with you to keep yourself charming and active all the days. And to remind you, don't forget we also have to get involved in different activities to make ourselves more successful or more boostful or more happier. So the question arises, how are you doing it? How are you spending your days? How are you making your days more valuable, more memorable? Share your experience with me, share your activities, the things you're doing to make your days more valuable, more experienceable, so that in future when we remind of these days comes into our mind, we remind that everyone was locked down, but I did something very unique and different to give a birth to new things in my life, in myself. So today the purpose of my video is to share a short activity with you that I was planning. So I was involved in few indoor and outdoor activity like planting trees activity. So today I would like to share one small indoor activity that I have done, and I did it while I cut a small stem of a money plant, which like small stems of a money plant, and try to make 6 to 7 plants in my day in my house. So the process is going something like this. Please take a look.
So today I'm going to plant trees inside the house. So I have collected few things that were kept, spare things kept in my house. So I got to get these 4 jars and these 2 as well, which was kept in my house. And these are a few pebbles and stones that I'm using for the decorative purpose. And this is the money plant. I have cut these stems from money plant for each of our jars, and here's the water that I'm gonna pour inside all these. So the activity remains something like this. So I will pour water in all these containers. I have cut stems for each and every bottle, which will spread some greenery in our house. And this way I'm going to pour water in all the jars. Now all of them are filled with water. I'm gonna put some stones and the marbles inside each bowl. In this way to all of them. It will make them look more expressive and beautiful. This process will go on. Few more are left. I use most of them. or if I get any other kind something like this in my house, we can use for, because this is giving a good vibe. And a greenery as well in my house. See how pretty this stone is. I'm gonna keep it inside it. Next it comes to the stems that I've cut. I'm gonna keep them in all of these plants. Now all these plants are ready to keep in our house. So, and I would like to show, like after 7 to 8 days, root will start coming out of it, and they will give a definitely good and green vibes. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.
Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, enjoy the activity I have shared with you, and definitely it gave any motivation or any boost, 1% boost also to you to apply the same, to do try the things same with you, do something and share with us. And yes, of course, don't forget to subscribe, share, and yes, like. Bye.